Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For this video, it is a Happy Meal unboxing video. This week, McDonald's, and I didn't even know it, introduced a new Happy Meal toy. It is the Elio Happy Meal from McDonald's. Elio! It's a new movie coming soon to theaters. Pixar movie. It's not getting very good pre-publicity, honestly, but who knows? It could be decent. There's the front of the Happy Meal box. There's the side. So these could be any one of the toys there on the side. The back, of course, is just the blank. Well, it does have a little monster, little spots on it, I guess. I miss when they used to have all four sides had things. And there's the other side. Of course, they have the QR code so you can scan and do games and things on your phone. There's a little maze there. That's kind of neat. Old school there. Help you find your friends in space. So let's see what the toy inside this Elio Happy Meal is. Oh, they have it. Elio apple slices even there. I got the hamburger Happy Meal in their toy. Oh, it's this guy, Elio, Ambassador Aquari. Ambassador Aquari. Number 4. So this looks, is this one of those? It's got this interesting little base here. I'm gonna have to look this up for a moment to see what this is supposed to do exactly, what this part is on here. What is this? I don't know. Looks like it's the little liquid computer thing I've seen in the previews. Look there, you can see its eyes. It's the liquid computer, but I don't know how it connects with this guy. So as far as I can tell, you put him on here like this and you squeeze this and he goes shooting off. Doesn't work very well. I've tried it on a flat surface. He does, but this is the easiest thing, you know. Shoot him out into space. Woo! There he goes. I don't know why the liquid computer was necessary for that. He's better off. I mean, maybe it's something tied to the film, to the movie, I guess. But I mean, it seems it's better than him just floating here like this in this thing. So there we have it. I'm glad it is a solid toy, but it's kind of a strange little toy. So I'm not for sure. Yeah, I don't get it. I don't get what it's supposed to do exactly. It's not a coaster. It's not there's no wheels on here at all. So yeah, but there you have it. Elio. Here's a question. Why does Elio wear an eye patch? In some of the previews, he doesn't have an eye patch, but in other parts of the previews, the trailers, he does. Is he just wearing one for pretend to be like a pirate or something? I don't know. But there you go. Elio Happy Meals from McDonald's. Get them now while you can. This has been another adventure in TV Land. Thank you for watching. And until next time, that's a wrap.